Hello everyone and welcome to this course, Excel for Business Analysts. My name is Deb Ashby. I'm a Microsoft trainer and subject matter expert who's been training Excel for over 20 years now to students all around the world. I've also trained and worked very closely with many business analysts over the years. And I've really come to understand how they work and in particular how they use Excel as part of their role. The role of a business analyst is very much a data-driven role, particularly these days. Most of us are being bombarded with data that we need to make sense of. So whether you are a fully-fledged business analyst or a kind of reluctant one, then this course is for you. We're going to take a look at some of the best analytical tools that are available in Excel to help us manage, organize, interpret, and present data so that you or your company can make better business decisions. That ranges from knowing which formulas to use, how to work with things like pivot tables and create stunning interactive dashboards, to lesser-known utilities like what-if analysis and forecasting. This course is broken down into 11 logical sections that we're going to work through together. You can download all of the files that I'm using in the demonstration so that you can practice along with me. And at the end of every lesson, you can also download an exercise file so that you can practice the skills that you've learnt. So that is pretty much it. It's time for you to grab yourselves a drink, make sure you're sitting comfortably. I'm very excited to be hosting this course for you, and I hope you're excited to dive in. So without further ado, let's head over into lesson number 1.